Do your brand a favor and watch the next couple of minutes as I show you 7 things that you can do to your e-com above the fold product or sales pages to boost your conversion rates and average order values. I'm Kenyon. For the last 12 years, I've been obsessed with CRO. You can get in touch with my agency at ConversionWise.com, but for now, let's jump into this client page transformation. So as I mentioned, the before here is what our client had before we redesigned their page focused on conversion rates, and the after, I'm going to break down each and every change we did. Okay, so number 1, we added this notice bar, which actually alluded to the fact that we offer worldwide shipping because we had lots of people hitting up our support center and asking if we actually ship abroad. Number 2, we've added our famous trust policy bar. And if you watched my videos before, you'll know that we love these things. They're just a small little bar that sits above or below the navigation. You use icons and text, and you basically call out anything that makes you trusted as a brand. Do you offer satisfaction guarantees? Are you made in the US? Are you vegan friendly? Do you offer free shipping? What can you put here? Have you served 100,000 clients plus? Put it in that bar and draw attention to it straight away so that cold consumers therefore trust you even more when they land on your page. Number 3, we've used these clever little tabs and side arrows to allude to the fact that there's more images within the carousel, and we've dramatically reduced the space of that image slider itself. Before, you can see it really pushed everything down below the fold. This is a consumable product. We don't need a huge hero shot above the fold. Number 4 is we've enhanced and improved that social proof as we always do. Most default Shopify themes come with these boring little review apps that have just a few gold stars and a number. Instead, leverage it, enhance it, put it in front of people's faces, showcase how many people you've served, how many happy customers you've had, and you'll guarantee to increase your conversion rates. Number 5, this client actually tasked us with improving their average order value. So what we've done here is we've used this bundle setup. This is a consumable product that people take every single day. So if you are not bundling or offering a subscribe and save option on consumable products, you are literally leaving money on the table. There's a way to lay it out. This is the correct way, and this will drive up how much people are spending per order on your store. 6, as you can see on the before design, because of this huge image at the top, all these bulky headlines and big text, all of the important conversion and call to action elements are being pushed way below the fold that people won't even scroll to. So now we've enhanced that UX and UI above the fold. We can now get in a nice clear call to action with a contrasting color, a directional cue, and we've supported it with number 7, payment seals that just further enhance trust and credibility. Why not get in touch with us at ConversionWise.com? We can design you a whole new store that converts 10 times better than what you have right now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out all of our videos on the channel, and I'll see you in another breakdown very soon.